How do you remove a repeating event from iPhone calendar? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so if you open up your calendar app on the iPhone, you might see a bunch of different events. And if one is like being repeated over and over again, you have a few options with it. So you can locate it like that, open it in full screen and tap on edit, right? And you have the ability to change the repeating settings. So likely it's set up for, perhaps like every day or every week, 2 weeks, month, year, whatever. Or you also even have like custom frequency, right? So that is kind of interesting. You have plenty of ways to set up the repeating events. But the first option is to simply click on repeat and choose never, which means that the event exists in your calendar only on the day where it started, but it will not like appear in the calendar anymore. So you can like turn off the repeating. However, you still have the option to not even go to the edit mode, but just click on the delete event at the bottom right there, and you will just make the whole thing disappear. So that would work as well. Depends on if you want to keep the original event or if you want to just disable it and delete it altogether. One more thing though, in the main like calendar view, at the bottom you have a little calendar icon which you can manage those calendars which you are subscribed to or seeing in there. And it is possible for a lot of people that they unknowingly added some spam calendars in here. So if you see something unfamiliar, you can always click on the information icon next to it and delete the calendar, right? And it will make sure that basically nobody, like you don't subscribe to any events, perhaps those which might be repeating or showing up in your calendar anymore. Yeah, so that would be something that I would look at in case you have some like weird things going on with your calendar. Let me know in the comments below if any of these things helped you out. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.